In this video, we'll go over our 10th blues solo from the Pentatonic Scale Guitar Solo Trainer. So let's go to page 16 in the book and take out your fretboard chart and pattern guide 3. Our song will start on an E9 chord. So that makes the root note an E. That's right. Because remember, you can only have a letter and a sharp or a flat, and never a number. So let's line up our pattern guide with E notes showing through the red root note markers, and this gives us an area between fret 10 and 12 to play an E minor pentatonic scale. You can use all 12 notes to play a solo or just a few, and in our case we just use the 5 notes in the white box. So let's find where those notes are. On string 1 there's a D and an E. String 2 an A and a B. And on string 3 just a G. Run through those a few times and we'll move on to our practice song on track 28. Ready for this? Here we go. We'll listen for the 4 counts.
Track 28.
2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, very good. Now you can practice this as many times as you'd like to get a feel for playing pattern 3 at the 12th fret. So let's review a little bit about what we've learned in this last series of videos. From videos 4 through 8, we were able to play a C minor pentatonic scale across the fretboard up to about the 12th fret using C root notes. Then from videos 9 through 13, we did a key change, and those were different chords with a different root note, that one being E, and moving the patterns across the fretboard up to the 12th fret. Usually we call this area near the nut the first position, and according to a key, the shape can change in that area. For instance, if we used pattern shape 1 in this area nearest the nut, we would use pattern shape number 1 down here at the open strings to the 4th fret with C notes showing through. So this would be the first position in the key of C. If we placed pattern 2 in this first area at the nut, A notes show through the root note markers, so now this is the first position for the key of A. If we put pattern 3 in that first position, this is now the G minor pentatonic scale at the first position. And if we put pattern shape 4 by the nut, we have E notes showing through the red root note markers. That means this is the first position for the key of E. And finally, if we put pattern 5 at the nut, we see D notes showing through the red root note markers. So this is now the first position for the key of D. So the first position can change according to your key. In our next video, we'll learn how to read standard notation, and it won't be that deep. We won't learn everything about standard notation, but just enough for us to practice more interesting solos than the ones we've been doing, playing the same 4 notes over again. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next video. Bye for now.